Are you looking for the best gardening tool sets in your budget? Well, in today's video we break down the top 5 best gardening tool sets that are available on the market. I made this list based on their price, quality, durability and more. To find out more information about this product, you can check out the description below and also make sure you subscribe for more reviews. Okay, so let's get started with the video. At number 5, MOSFiATA 14 PC's Stainless Steel Heavy-Duty Garden Toolkit Work Set with Carrying Case. With the MOSFiATA gardening toolset, you can perform all your gardening operations as you desire. All 14 pieces allow you to transplant, weed, dig, prune, and water your plants. Since they are designed from heavy-duty stainless steel components, you no longer have to worry about your tools rusting or breaking easily. The soft handles assure you of anti-skid performance and lower arm fatigue. Moreover, the included carrying case makes it ideal to store all these tools or present them to someone as a gift. Also, the pruning shears will aid you in cutting light branches and garden stems. At number 4, Crenova 10 PC's Pruning Shears, Garden Tote, Garden Gloves, Kneeling Pad Garden Tool Set. This coming holiday season, you can gift your loved ones with a Crenova gardening tool set. This toolkit has 10 pieces that make your work easier while performing digging or weeding operations. All these tools are designed from high-grade stainless steel components that are well known for their strength, durability, and rust-resistant. The carbon steel blades ensure an effortless cutting at all times. Additionally, they are ergonomically constructed with soft handles for a comfortable grip. That aside, they provide excellent anti-slip technology to prevent arm strains. At number 3, ericard 12 PC's heavy-duty stainless steel gardening tools set with storage case for men and women. Gifting any horticultural enthusiast with this gardening tool set by ericard is a great idea. This set includes 12 pieces of tools that make it easier to perform your activities. The handles are made of quality materials and reduce hand fatigue during long working hours. With the metal parts featuring steel plates, you are assured of rust-resistant and harder units. Better still, it comes with a plastic tool case which makes it easier to store all these tools in a more organized manner. At number 2, Gigalumi 11 PC's heavy-duty aluminum outdoor hand tools with pruners, trowel, etc. Gigalumi gardening toolset is equipped with a wide range of features to meet all your gardening needs. This toolkit is designed from heavy-duty aluminum alloy materials of rust-free and durable units. The included handbag makes it easier to store these tools and lasts longer also. You can use the pruner to cut light branches and stems since it features a safety lock to avoid accidents. Both the fork and the rake are sharp enough for easier ripping and weeding. Even better, the handles are made of rubber materials that help to relieve stress on your hands. At number 1, Floraguard 6 PC's 9-teeth rake, trowel, cultivator, weeder gardening hand tool set. You can perform a variety of gardening tasks more comfortably with the Floraguard gardening tool set. These 6 tools can be used in performing tasks such as digging, loosening soil, and so on. The soft handles are designed from TPR that reduces hand fatigue for comfortable operations. With the high carbon steel heads and tips, you are assured of shiny and rust-proof units. Each handle is equipped with a hanghole making it easier to store to units to avoid unnecessary accidents. This set becomes the best gift for your friends or family members who love gardening. Thank you for watching guys, I hope you like this video. If this video was helpful to you, please make sure a like, comment, and subscribe. If you have any questions related to this product, you can leave a comment down below. I will back to you as soon as possible.